guys, welcome back to my channel Hobby Corner. In my previous video I've told you about how to make ourselves a snake cube, and I've promised you that in my next video I'll be back with patterns in a snake cube, and I'm back with my promise. In this video you'll be seeing 3 different patterns of a dog, a musical note and a heart. So please be tuned to see all the 3 patterns. First, going with a dog, place orange to the left and white to the right. Now you'll move, or you'll leave 5 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5. Now move this to the top. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. After this you'll move the rest to the top, leaving this single piece. Done. Next you'll see 2 rhombus. You'll leave 1 rhombus and move the rest to again 90 degrees. Then leave 2 white pieces and move the rest downwards. Here you have orange. Here you have orange, so here you leave or move orange to again a 90 degrees. After this, again this white piece will be moved to the top. Afterwards you leave 2 pieces and move this downwards. Leave 2 pieces and move this to the top. Leave 1 piece, move this again slanting, and then move the last piece to the top. Done. It's a dog. And next, after a dog, make it again back to a slanting position. So after rebacking them, again you need to place orange to the left and white to the right. Now we'll come from orange to white. Select or leave 12 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now move the 13th piece to a 90 degrees. Done. Afterwards, if you move it to the side, you'll have 6 white rectangular blocks. Move 3 of them with a white piece like this. Here the same, 3 of them with an orange piece like this. After making this like this, leave 1 rectangular block and move the rest backwards. Again leave 1 rectangular block and leave the rest backwards. Now it's a rhombus. Last 2 pieces should be moved front. Like this. Again these last 2 pieces should be moved front. Done. Our heart is completed. Okay, again reback to your position. Now the last thing, it's the musical note. Again you'll place orange to the left and white to the right and first move the first two pieces towards you to a 90 degrees. Again move the rest to again a 90 degrees, which makes them parallel like this. Now move the piece after the rhombus towards you again to a 90 degrees. Again this piece to a 90 degrees. Okay. Now we have completed the part to the left. Now we'll do this same thing to the right. First move it to a 90 degrees. Move the rest to a 90 degrees. Leave the rhombus and move the rest again to a 90 degrees. Next this one to a 90 degrees. Done. Now you need to place this slanting. After doing this, you'll leave two pieces and move the rest downwards. And next you'll move this downwards as well. Now this is the proper position. You need to move this to the same position. Move the orange downwards, and next you'll move this in a crossword direction. Done. Your musical note is also completed. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, do hurriedly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my further videos.